Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a small Destash. And this is going to be PayPal, friends and family, 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation. My email address is fphandmade@gmail.com. Comments below will be disabled, so you'll need to email me if you're interested. And please pay within an hour of receipt of the email confirmation. Thank you. So let me show you what I have for you. So I have this New Sweet Ginkgo layering stamp set, super cute. And I also have the die. There's the die set. So it's New Sweet Ginkgo die set. Then I have this super cute die set from Jaded Blossoms. It's called Circle Words. Has hello, thinking of you, celebrate today, and then a little thinking of you, super cute stamp set. And then also from Jaded Blossom, I have this sentiment set, and it's so many birthdays, number 5, and there are so many of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I believe. And so what I did was I numbered them for you. Well, I numbered them for me, but so they'll be numbered on the coordinating die, because when you're using this die set, it's kind of hard sometimes to know which die set goes with each stamp. So they're numbered on the back, so it'll be easy for you to choose which one. And this is So Many Birthdays by Jaded Blossom. And then also I'll include this Spellbinders cutting die set, and it's God is on Your Side. And this one has several crosses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and really pretty. So Spellbinders, So Many Birthdays with the die set, Circle Words, and New Sweet Ginkgo with the die set. And this is all for $35 ship. So if you're interested in this, please email me. Once again, email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested. If you email me early enough today, I can get it in the mail for you. So thank you all. Once again, $35 ship. And that's USA only. Bye-bye.